Hey, Welsh Metals. Here today I'll be assembling a 0.2 carat golden yellow sapphire necklace. Actually got this for free with one of my gemstone orders and placed it within a bezel. Took pictures of the placement and setting of that and posted it on my Instagram. You'll find a link in the description of this video. And this is an 18 carat gold filled chain. That's 3 layers of gold. And that will be the necklace that I will be placing it upon. So this is more of an assemblage video. Trouble in focusing there. What's going on? Strange focusing issue. There we go. Sorry about that. The phone was being strange and not focusing. So, very nice chain there, you can see. 18 carat gold filled. Very small, try and focus upon that. You see the tiny writing. The tiny sapphire there, as you can see, inside of this bezel. And we'll check it out afterwards with magnification. Make sure it's all nice and good. Simply be putting it straight on the chain with the split ring that is there. Don't want to mark it, so I'll be using a split ring opener. See how that works? Fairly useful piece of equipment. Stops you marking the split rings too much. Same again. More grippage. There we go. Done. So, check that out. Very, very pretty, shiny looking. All completed and assembled. Almost too shiny for the camera to handle. Let's have a look through the magnifier. See what we can see. Oh, very nice. It's the 0.2 carat sapphire, golden yellow, set within a bezel. It is also salvaged. And the gold filled chain itself. You can see there, it says 18 carat GF, that's 18 carat gold filled, which means 3 layers of gold plating. Doesn't actually mean it's filled with gold, it's just a jeweller's term. Let's have a look even closer at the sapphire. It's a times 60 magnification. It's well cut, but it's kind of difficult to see due to the extreme smallness. You can almost see one of the cuts there on the corner. Well, there was the close-up inspection of the fine jewellery piece, made with a free gemstone. Well, till next time.